Today's video is about Vybz Kartel's image and style being copied, bootlegged, xeroxed, imitated and cloned. We already know who most of the guilty culprits are of biting Vybz Kartel style. We don't need to call any names or dry snitch. Respect to those who confess and give respect to Vybz Kartel. That is what you are supposed to do when someone gives you something or you borrow something. You are supposed to show gratitude. That is common decency and manners. However, let those who want to copy and deny rest in the shame of their deep denial. They say that imitation is the best form of flattery, and renowned producer Cornelius Daly, known for the color rhythm, decided he was going to create not one but two artists in the likeness of Vybz Kartel. Those artists are Gage and Savage. Here is Mr. Daly as the evil genius when asked to explain his diabolical plan to knock off Vybz Kartel's image and likeness like a Chinese-made flea market bootleg Versace suit.
And you're responsible, I'm told, for Gage, for constructing Gage.
Alright, here it go now. Big up Father Bulla, Dirty Friday, right?
Yeah.
That's a Chris Gale brother. One day my dad up at the studio and him called me and said, I'm an artist. Better than Kartel. I said, I don't want to hear him, because nobody know better than Kartel.
Okay.
See him said, that's cool, man. Big up yourself again, Father Bulla, Dirty Friday boss. Cool? Sam say, you hear me? Cornelius, I'm going to bring him up there still, and he listen to him son, and him come and him chat two lines, and I say, in my mind, you are bad, but I never tell him. I still on the car, so I say, alright, run up the step. I say, boom, boom, run up the stage, and I'm in black. Black. Go upstairs and him do two songs, and I say, yo, that you are bad. So I call Bulla and say, Bulla, sign him. And him say, cool. Bulla say, alright, I'm going to sign him. And from this, he just burps.
Okay. So did you set out to deliberately construct him to make a Kartel? Some are calling it knockoff.
Yeah, man.
Deliberately.
Yeah, man.
Because such is your ratings for Kartel, I take it?
Oh, yes, I bought this thing, man.
Yes. So you didn't care that. Did you advise him to accept that it's Kartel him a
Really,
knockoff?
You know, a Kartel himself still a Gaza himself, no?
He's a Gaza youth.
Him say no, nobody else, but Kartel, I'm over there. That's what him tell me first when him just come around.
Okay. So you're no longer working with Gage. Do you wish to say why?
Him say not record me no more.
And that's it?
That's it.
And you've moved on?
Move on.
And now, Savage.
Yeah, man, the body.
You constructed Savage?
Right now, Savage run for a while, you know. But
In the image and likeness of Vybz Kartel as well.
Him have him image.
You had it before?
Him have it. I say, Savo, fix up them color and put on some tattoo and fix up them color there.
So you you advised him to put on the color up?
Him have on.
He had some, but you what?
I say, I go full up me and Savo say, I full up this thing of Cornelius.
So the bleaching too?
Yeah, bleach. No, in the bleach long time.
Him they done bleach already?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, in the bleach. Them comes and say, I can't tell I did. All right. Dip in some can of bleach, you know, and then get white. I say, yes, you reach.
Let's take a listen to Gage and Savage proudly confessing and endorsing and paying respect to Vybz Kartel as a person whose image they copied.
All right. So are you accepting that you're now the mirror image of Vybz Kartel?
Well, people are going to say anything, I understand. I still some look, I still gauge this. I understand. So nothing change, nothing different.
Yeah, because you weren't shy of saying you will borrow anything while I go on, while I work out there.
No, I mean,
the last time you were here, you said
a piece, anything will go on, man.
And Kartel are go on.
Eh?
Kartel a man
Long
run the thing
time,
same way.
long time.
The image was not inspired by him?
Well, for right, I saw no, because him the front runner would have said yes, same here. See me, so we have to give him glory, you know. We Caesar though.
Okay.
You understand?
So the style, right? The style, the sound, the style, the Vybz Kartel style, which is so well used now and being duplicated by so many.
Here is a song that a friend sent me as a joke, saying it is a new Vybz Kartel song called Colder. I will not call the name of the artist who voiced it. I will just say it's a Vybz Kartel sound alike. I wanted to listen to see how close artists are coming to sounding like Vybz Kartel. The problem is they will never come close to having his 1 in a million lyrical ability.
Make me pass me cooler than winter. 10 star with cooler than winter. Me a own money don't look through your window. Make me pass me cooler than winter. Can't be truck say my money stinker. Girl if you sit down you get paper like printer. People a ask how me make y'all turn anywhere like car with 4-way blinker. Money a the road, money a the road. Money a the road, money a the road. Every step when me make is another money.
While I don't have a problem with someone rating an artist or looking up to them as an inspiration or an idol if that is what they choose, I have a problem with the lack of originality and creativity. It seems like they are lazy, a cop-out, and want to cheat without putting in the hard work. What is even worse is when you use an artist's style and image, and even though it is obvious without a shadow of a doubt that you are using that person's style, you refuse to give them that credit. I find that very shameless and utterly disrespectful. But to each his own, I am not here to make anyone honorable. People, we must remember that Vybz Kartel is locked up and still the most relevant artist. These people are out here taking advantage, using and abusing his image and likeness as if he is dead. I know you cannot copyright style and image, but as a reasonable, decent human being, I find something very wrong with living in the next man's shadow. What is very strange are that people are actually out here voicing Vybz Kartel's dubplate. And what is even more perplexing is that sound system selectors are actually buying them. I am assuming they know that Vybz Kartel is locked up and they just don't care. Or they are just too stupid to fall for a scam more brazen than the lottery scam. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.